Hey everyone, if you're looking for a fantastic third row SUV that has heated seats, remote start, and more, then you want to check out this 2015 Chevy Traverse. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So, comes in this kind of gold exterior color. You have your chromed outgrowth with your Chevy badge in the middle, and then you have your headlamps, accent lamps below with fog lamps as well, and this has a 3.6 liter V6 engine. Then looking down at your wheels, those are 18-inch alloy wheels. Love the design on those, and you have lots of tread on your tires as well. And then looking at your side mirrors, they have those indicator lights on them, and they are powered and heated. So looking at these front seats, we have these black cloth seats with that cool pattern in the middle. Love that. And they're heated, so it's super comfortable. Your driver's side is power adjustable. Then looking at your steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings, Bluetooth streaming, and your media controls. Then looking at your media center, you have your radio options here with all of your presets at the bottom, and you can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. But all of your other apps are on these pages, including your Bluetooth streaming for your phone, so you can connect your phone and make phone calls through your media center. And then you have all of your other apps on these pages, including your settings. And this has a backup camera, so when your vehicle's in reverse, you can see clearly what is behind you. So it helps with backing out of parking spots and just backing up in general. So below that, you have your climate controls. They are dual, so you can have different settings on each side of the front seat. And then below that, you have your heated buttons for your seats right there. So super easy to just keep yourself nice and cozy and warm. You guys have a 12-volt and a USB port with two cup holders here in the middle. Love that wood grain accenting throughout the center. And then you have your center console, so that lifts up there. This also folds back where you have more space. So two spots in there, and then you have lots of room with another 12-volt at the bottom. So looking up, you have OnStar, which is subscribable, universal garage door openers as well, and making our way out, this has a Bose Sound System. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have quad seating, so two seats in this middle row with an aisleway between to the third row. You have your rear climate controls here, as well as a 12-volt and two USB ports. These can fold down really easily to show you that third row where you have three more seats with cup holders on each side. Looking up, you have a roof rack up top, lip spoiler in the back. You have your LED tail lamps, back windshield wiper, and your LT non-wheel drive badging, along with your rear sensing system. This does have a power liftgate, as well as remote start on your key fob. And then looking into the trunk back here, plenty of space. You do have more room underneath right there. And these seats can fold down, so you can have lots of room if you want to have, you know, larger trunk space rather than having your third row seats. So overall, amazing vehicle. Love all the features inside, including those heated seats, that media center, and remote start. So if you want to see this vehicle or any of our other Chevys, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that's quite a bit, right?
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.